if I'm not allowed to sell it anymore, does that mean I can technically do like a giveaway and give it away for free? Because I think I want to do that. Hi, and welcome back to the Delicate Strike Diaries. I'm Denise, and today I want to talk to you about my #1 best-selling canvas bag design that I can't sell on Etsy anymore and why it got taken down. I also want to walk you through how I make these, and then also I want to do a giveaway because if I'm not allowed to sell these, I might as well give someone one for free. So stay tuned on how you can enter. But yeah, so we're going to talk about this. If any of you guys are a fan of Schitt's Creek, you'll probably really like this bag like I did when I thought of it. But in the show, there's this store called the Rose Apothecary. And like whenever like characters would buy things from the store, like their products would come in a bag that looked just like this. So I was like, that would be such a cute tote bag to sell. So I found the design, and what I do is I use these base canvas bags. They're 100% cotton, and then I use black iron-on vinyl, and I use my Cricut to cut out the design. Take it, iron it on, and you get this cute design, which I loved so much. But one day, I woke up to an email from Etsy saying that I had to take the listing down because the production company that like made Schitt's Creek, I don't know if they saw an ad for my shop or like a social media post or something, but somehow they found out that I was selling this. And I am working from like a spare room in my house. Like I'm not an official partner of Schitt's Creek. Etsy was saying that unless I either have an agreement with this production company or work it out with them, I can't sell this anymore because it has their intellectual property, which is totally fair. So I took it down. So I do have some extra in stock, which is why I want to do a giveaway. And I want to give away this bag, and I also want to give away this emotional baggage one, which is on my Etsy shop. So if you are thinking about like working with intellectual property or like fan art or anything like that, just be super careful. Like I run ads on my Etsy shop sometimes, and so I guess an ad ran for that Schitt's Creek bag, and so that's how it got, a ton more eyes on it, which is great because I'm not kidding, that design I was selling like at least one per day because it was cute. I was really proud of it. It was like fans of Schitt's Creek like love it because it is like you like have a piece of Schitt's Creek with you. But because of that, the downside is it was more visible to super important people who probably wouldn't like that I was selling it without like an official partnership or that they weren't getting a commission or whatever. So just be mindful of that if you're running ads. But yeah, so just some tips when it comes to working with fan art or using logos from shows and stuff like that, just things to keep in mind. And so now I want to talk to you about how you can win these bags. If you're watching this on YouTube, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching this on Instagram or Facebook, make sure you're following me. And tomorrow I will be posting this, and all you have to do is tag a friend in the comments with your favorite Schitt's Creek quote or moment, and that counts as an entry. And if you have a YouTube and an Instagram and a Facebook account, you can technically enter 3 times to boost your chances. So go subscribe, follow, comment, do everything you can, and I will be picking a winner on Friday. Be sure to share with your friends, do whatever. Feedback is always welcome. And if you have any questions about like intellectual property or everything that happened with Etsy and Schitt's Creek, shoot me a message, leave a comment, let me know. I'd love to talk more about it. But I will see you next week. Bye.